Sixth question is a pyramid which is resting on its corners, making an angle with HP as well as PP. Okay, it is making an angle 45 degree with HP, 30 to VP. So we shall draw the plan such that when we rotate it clockwise, it should be resting on the corner. I am taking measurements as 20 as the size, base size, and its height 50 mm. Okay, now we draw the plan of the pentagon. I have kept the corner towards the right so that when I rotate it clockwise, it will be resting on its corner. Mark all the points. So this is the edge which when we rotate it will be making an angle 45 degree with HP. Now we can draw the elevation. Mark all the points: A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash, E dash. Height I have taken is 50 mm. You can draw the slant edges and mark the apex as O. You can also mark the center line or the axis of the pyramid. Now we have to rotate it to 45 degree. So mark 45 degree line. Then we have to redraw the elevation at 45 degree. The edge what we have to consider is edge O and D. That is the edge making angle 45 degree with the HP. So I am transferring all the points or the elevation onto the newly drawn line which is making an angle 45 degree with HP. Okay, so all the points have been transferred. Now we need to join these points and draw the elevation. Mark the angle as 45 degree. Now taking the projectors, we shall make the plan of the pentagonal pyramid which is standing on its corner. So how does it look like in plan? We have taken vertical and horizontal projectors. Now mark the corresponding points and we shall see which all edges will be visible when you see from top. Okay, edge DO will be invisible. That is the edge which is making an angle 45 degree with the HP. So it will be below the pyramid when you see from top. So that is why it is marked as hidden line. Now we have to redraw the plan again so that the axis of the plan is making an angle 30 degree to VP or XY line. Okay, now I am transferring the plan to an angle 30 degree XY line. Okay, the plan is redrawn. Next what we do is draw the elevation. All the projectors are done. Now we mark the corresponding points from plan and elevation. And again we will see when we look from the front side or when we see the elevation which all edges will be visible. So in elevation edge DO will be visible, so that will be a firm line, whereas edge EO that will be hidden. EO and